Life constantly demands decisions from us, at work and in our private lives. And when choosing our car, until now we've always had to decide between a car with the sporting flair of a coupe or a car with the comfort of a top limousine. From now on, this agonizing choice is a thing of the past. For Volkswagen has now developed a vehicle that uncompromisingly unites both qualities in one. The Passat CC. This marriage of the two worlds is made possible by DCC, the intelligent adaptive chassis control from Volkswagen. And it doesn't matter whether the road is rough, twisty or good. DCC always ensures optimum passenger comfort as well as excellent handling. Sporting dynamics and the greatest possible passenger comfort, the apparently irreconcilable opposites of yesteryear. In the Passat CC, they no longer exclude each other. This plus, in terms of comfort and safety, is down to a sophisticated interplay of sensors, control electronics, and adjustable shock absorbers. The wheel position sensors. They measure the position and velocity of the wheel's movement, continuously and precisely. The body acceleration sensors. They ascertain the dynamic movements of the body. Adjusting to the widely differing road conditions is one challenge. Adjusting to the current driving situation is another, which an intelligent chassis control must resolve. Steering, transmission, speed, acceleration or braking. In milliseconds, the elementary vehicle systems continuously send the core data of the traveling car to the DCC controller. And in milliseconds, DCC constantly and individually adjusts the shock absorbers of each wheel to the current driving situation. This sounds familiar to all drivers. On some days we like to drive in a laid-back way, but on other days we feel like driving in a sporty manner. DCC meets these wishes at the touch of a button. The driver can choose one of 3 different programs: normal, sport or comfort, and the DCC controller responds instantly to the driver's wishes. The controller, with its high-performance microprocessor, is the brain of the system. This is where the signals from the sensors and the CAN bus come together. At lightning speed, it processes information as to the road surface or load distribution. Supplemented by data about the dynamic behavior of the vehicle and the driver's wishes, it then generates the control signals for every shock absorber individually. In an unceasing flow of data, these control signals reach the individual shock absorbers. However, the decisive factor for optimum shock absorption is the sophisticated control algorithm that was developed by Volkswagen from scratch for DCC. If the controller is the brain, then the adjustable shock absorbers are the muscles which DCC flexes in response to the driver's wishes and the current situation. The adaptive chassis control DCC, a decisive plus in terms of comfort and driving dynamics, which not only regulates the shock absorber characteristics, but also adjusts the electromechanical power-assisted steering from comfort-oriented to spot-on for fun. With DCC, Volkswagen has put an end to the either-or of yesterday. Whereas until now you had to choose between the standard and the sport suspension with their fixed damper setups, DCC opens up a wide variation of shock absorber characteristics. The optimum shock absorber adjustment for every road surface and every situation. The Passat CC with adaptive chassis control, sports car dynamics and limousine comfort in one. A bad road, the Passat CC takes it in its stride. And at the latest, when the limousine turns into a zippy sports car at the press of a button, every driver experiences directly what innovation means at Volkswagen. The Passat CC, the comfort coupe.